Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the 420D Snapper Ox Blue Coupe here at your next car. So we're going to take a walk around the outside of this vehicle and show you some of the features and options. So of course, starting with the outside, where we have got the fully customised performance kit, which has been done all in-house here. So what I mean by fully customised, we have got the half satin and half body coloured front splitter. We've also got the gloss black kidney grills as per normal. We have got the facelifted headlights, thanks to this vehicle being a full facelift. We have also got the absolutely brand new and stunning 666 competition style alloy wheels, which have got the diamond cut outer faces with gloss black inserts. Down the side of the vehicle, you not only get the gloss black air breathers, you get the satin side vinyls and then performance decals. We also get the full body coloured sidebars, as you can see there. Should you choose to come and see the vehicle, you will see and agree with this that this vehicle is absolutely flawless inside and out and is fabulous in every way, comprising that this vehicle is a full-off individual performance kit. M Sport sill plates, alongside having the electric lumbar on the black Dakota leather that has the heated seat function, and a wide array of other optional extras which we'll get through in just a moment. Moving round to the back of the car, where we find the gloss black rear boot spoiler. We also get them fabulous facelifted tail lights. We've also got the half satin and once again half body colour satin body colour outer edges on the diffuser. We'll take a look at the boot space, which for a coupe vehicle, if you've not yet already seen one, is very, very good. You've also got the velour floor mats that come on with the vehicle and the split folding seat option should you require any further room. Give it a nice long look at the vehicle now. Take a quick look at the passenger side and then take a look at the back seats, where of course you find that Isofix rear bench and the centerfold armrest as well. We've also got the very nice brushed aluminium and gloss black inserts on the interior trim. A little bit of a difficult colour to photo and get in the video, but the Snapper Ox Blue is an absolutely fabulous colour, not to be confused with the Estral Blue. It is very much lighter and has a lot more pearl paint and pearl pop to it, and is arguably one of my favourite colours that BMW currently do, especially combined with the full customised performance kit. We've also got the gloss black mirror caps as well, and we're going to take a walk on into the interior now and show you around. So we've already mentioned the heated seat function. We've got that superb multi-function M Sport steering wheel with the 8-speed sport gearbox and paddle shift. Cruise control is all controlled via this little rocker switch here and the speed limiter as well. We've got the voice control and the volume control. The vehicle itself has covered just over 29,000 miles. We've got the professional wide navigation and media with front and rear parking sensors. Of course, being a facelifted vehicle, we get the facelifted iDrive, so as you can see there, we've got a bit of a newer look to it. Going back to the home menu, we'll have a look at the media, where of course you get DAB and a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Communications is obviously where you're going to pair your phone for Bluetooth calls and Bluetooth audio. Going back to the very home menu, and we'll take a look at the vehicle status and the service requirements. As you can see, everything is in green now. It's not due an engine oil change for 9,000 miles. The rear brake pads are due for 20,000, front brake pads 27,000, and it has got the pre-delivery inspection service carried out there at BMW. And as you can see there on the trip computer, the last drive cycle of this vehicle was done at 51 mpg, so for a coupe vehicle that is very, very good, and typically normal for these sort of vehicles to get that sort of mpg, especially bear in mind this vehicle has the 8-speed, so it is even more easily achieved. So that is going to be the walk around for the Snapper Ox Blue 420D Coupe. We do of course hope you found the walk around video useful. Of course, most of all, we do of course hope to see you very soon here at your next car. Thank you very much for watching. Do take care and goodbye.